Everybody is looking for financial freedom. My name is Khalif Williams, and I'm an online digital entrepreneur. And I have something for you that may be the vehicle you need to get to that financial freedom. The vehicle I'm speaking of is the Daily Blueprint. It's a step-by-step guide of 4 different ways you can make money online within the next 24 to 48 hours. This product is done for you. So all you have to do is literally plug and play, and within the next 24 to 48 hours, you will have a vehicle, a freedom machine that will be able to spit out payments daily to you with or without you being present. This is perfect if you're like me and you have a family, kids, job, or what have you, and you don't have the time. The automated system does all the work for you. So you get paid for the work that you do once, over and over and over again. Like more info? Put ready in the comments, and I'd love to get that right over to you.